everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. Another again from the AiSi company that's on Amazon. We have tamed up to bring you guys another wonderful wig review. And this cutie that is on my head, I have not even figured out what to name her because none of their wigs come with names, but they just come with a style. This is a 26-inch black side part body wave unit, and honey, she is I don't know how to explain her, but if you guys are watching this, you guys can kind of understand what I'm feeling right now. She's giving me Gone with the Wind. I need to be on somebody's yacht with my husband, or my husband needs to come find me type of hair. If this isn't date night hair for somebody out there, honey, because y'all know we ain't going no date night, but it's cool. 2021 coming up, so who knows, magical things are bound to happen, because there's some crazy stuff that has happened thus far. Anywho, so this is actually coming from the AiSi company, again from Amazon, and of course they hit me up on Instagram, so I didn't actually I wasn't able to get an actual link from them, so I'll actually go find this unit on their site and I'll leave the link down below. But let's get into it. There are adjustable straps in the bag. There are 2 combs on each ear, where the ear tabs are. You get this really nice side part, which that I'll probably actually go in more further and kind of define that a little bit more. This unit is 100% synthetic, but I'm pretty sure you are able to put a little bit of heat to this. Ooh, there goes my tangle. That's the first tangle that I've gotten thus far, but she literally comes out the bag looking every inch of come get me hair. That's what we're gonna call her. We're gonna call her come get me. Yeah, anywho, sorry. Like I said, she is 26 inches. I did get mine in the color 1B, or just like a regular black color that they carry. Believe it or not, even with having all this hair on the side of me, she is actually very, very lightweight. She is very breathable. And for her to be synthetic, like, this is a synthetic that I'm not really used to. I'm used to, like, you know, major brand synthetic. So this particular brand, I'm gonna say this: if you are into cosplay, role playing, you know, hey, I don't judge. I don't judge. You know, like costumes, or even if you just want a really nice different style of synthetic wigs, and you know, Corona is out there and you don't feel like going to a beauty supply, or sometimes you don't trust certain people or certain companies online, check out Amazon. Their wigs, Amazon wigs, are coming up in the game. I'm just gonna go and say that they're coming up in the game, because this, I can see myself actually purchasing 3 more of these, because this is something cute. I love this. So yes, if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.